Rain impacting many of us this morning. It's a widespread soaking rain on the WVTM 13 live Doppler. Still coming down across the Birmingham Metro, Tuscaloosa. Yeah, just a little bit of a break right now, but more of that steady rain on the way, likely over the next 30 to 45 minutes. The heaviest the rain still falling is across much of Bibb County into Chilton County, portions of Shelby County. This is all trying to slowly move down to the south, but beginning to lose some of its steam. Batch of moderately heavy rain now in Pickens County, Lamar, Fayette counties as well. That's going to move into Tuscaloosa County again over the next half hour or so. And for many of us, a wet start to the afternoon. Now, later on this afternoon, we may see the overall rainfall coverage break up just a little bit. So drier in some spots through the evening and overnight tonight. But quickly attention turns back off to our west. An ongoing severe weather outbreak through portions of Texas, Arkansas, northern Louisiana. This line of rain and some embedded thunderstorms will move our way, but likely in a somewhat weaker state as we head through early tomorrow morning. Timing has been pushed back just a bit as well, with a slower arrival perhaps around 8 a.m. across the westernmost portions of central Alabama into the Birmingham Metro. We'll say between 8 and 10 a.m. and then into East Alabama later in the morning and then approaching lunchtime. Notice by the time we hit noon, not a whole lot left with this band of showers. Again, maybe a few embedded thunderstorms. The biggest story will continue to be those strong wind gusts, perhaps an isolated storm or two becoming severe with an isolated tornado threat, damaging wind threat, 60 miles an hour or so. But even outside of any of the rain, environmental winds tomorrow are going to be very strong. High wind gusts 40, 45, 50 miles an hour will be certainly possible, even higher as you go farther up to the north across our state and then into the state of Tennessee. So it's going to be a high impact event through the first part of tomorrow and even lasting into tomorrow afternoon, those gusty winds. You can see all the rain out there right now. Again, that continues into the afternoon, so a pretty wet forecast for our Thursday. Our 7-day forecast in the hours tomorrow, the morning showers and storms, very windy. Again, damaging wind gusts certainly possible. We clear out for the weekend, looking much better with sunshine, cooler as well. Those morning lows are going to feel chilly down into the 40s. Looks like we could get some more clouds and unsettled weather with rain showers heading toward the middle of next week. You're watching WVTM 13.